Welcome back. All the roads seems cleared for the organisers of Sunburn and Supersonic. The High Court has denied to direct Goa government to stop giving permissions to these events. NCP leader Trajano de Mello has filed a petition against both the electronic music dance festivals, alleging use of drugs, security threat, traffic issues and other illegalities. But during the hearing, government contended that government and the organisers are following all the guidelines laid down by the High Court.
All the roads seems clear for the organisers of electronic music dance festivals, Sunburn and Supersonic, as the High Court on Tuesday denied to entertain a petition pleading to direct Goa government to stop giving permissions to both Sunburn and Supersonic. The public interest litigation has been filed by the NCP leader Trajan de Mello. During the hearing, petitioner contended that Sunburn is allowed to be organised on Comunidad land, which is against the Code of Comunidad. Petitioner has also raised a question that how government determined the fee of Sunburn and Supersonic when there are no clear rules. Petitioner also contended that various media reports, police and other government department reports show that these festivals are a platform of drugs, security threat, traffic issues and other illegalities. But on behalf of Goa Government, Advocate General Atmaram Nadkarni contended that the government and the organisers are following all the guidelines laid down by the High Court in the year 2012. Advocate General assured the High Court that government will take care of security, alleged use of drugs and other issues strictly. While issuing the notices to all the respondents, the High Court adjourned the hearing on admission of petition for 12th of January. Our reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
State Congress will file criminal complaint against Sunburn and Supersonic for not paying advance tax to state government. GPCC spokesperson Sunil Kauthankar claimed that both the fest organisers started sale of tickets from month of August but failed to pay advance tax, which is an criminal offence. Kauthankar claimed that organisers are taking state government for granted.
EDMs, Electronic Dance Music Festival, Augustaच्यान ticketi विकतात. EDMs government entertainment tax लागता. Any event which is ticketed has to pay entertainment tax. And according to the new amendments, they have to pay 100% advance tax. So till date, they have not paid any tax. Forget about advance tax. They have sold the tickets. And what the tickets that they have sold are not authenticated by the commercial tax department. हाजो अर्थ एकूच जाता की they are holding government of Goa for granted. They are holding that money of the government for last so many months because they have started selling tickets in the month of August. It's a criminal offence and we will proceed criminally against them. सरकारान इतले महिने ते टिकेटी विकप चालू असताना टॅक्स रिकवरी ते कांयच मुवमेंट जो करूंक ना. The organizers of these festivals know very well, they have with their actions they have proven कि BJP government in Goa is for sale.
And with this we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.